Come to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Self and Peter, we're looking at summer flowering bulbs, corms and tubers today, and there are many unusual ones, aren't there, Peter? Well worth looking at. These are IXIA, and IXIA, as soil warms up, can be planted in spring. Really bright and colourful. They're in the iris family, South African plant. They're grown in South Africa. I meant to bring lots of luck. Here they're going to give us, certainly whatever about luck, lots of colourful flowers. They can be grown in pots or containers or out in open ground. And you plant the bulbs, pointed end up, root end down about twice the depth of the bulbs themselves. And I pack, there's 10 in the packet, maybe make 2 little pots of them or 2 little clumps of them in a sunny and free draining spot. Remember, they're South African, so they need a good sunny and free draining spot to do well. So easily planted, pointed end up, root end down, and something a little bit different and really colourful. They're a kaleidoscope of colours when you plant them all together. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden. Say goodbye to everybody. No, he's not talking. Bye now.